Top 5 Best Running Shoes for Women in 2024. Product Images. Number 1. ONEMIX Running Shoes for Women. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. BONA New Style Women Running Shoe. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. ZJEGA Flat Shoes for Women. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For more details, please check description box. Number 4. Xtep Women's Shoes Running Shoes, perfect for use. Women's running shoes are suitable for a variety of occasions, such as walking, running, work, shopping, traveling, driving, jazz, tap dance, street jazz, ballet, folk dance, Zumba, athletic, workout, excellent quality. The shoes are made of high-quality knitted fabric, which has good elasticity and is not easy to deform after long-term use. Light and portable. Lightweight and flexible. Easy to put on and take off, suitable for all kinds of sports. Reasons to buy. Sparkles Women's Sneakers Xtep. Lightweight, comfortable and flexible lining makes it easy to put on and take off. Fit for spring, summer, autumn and winter. Sparkles Shoes Xtep Running. Women's running shoes high-top design with heel and toe. Provide excellent grip and reduce the pressure on the foot. Sparkles Xtep Sport Shoe. Lightweight, high-quality EVA midsole with excellent cushioning and support. Reduce body bearing, shock absorption, super comfortable. Sparkles easy to wear. These women's running shoes have a hook and loop closure, which is convenient for you to put on and take off. Sparkles comfortable interior space, made of high-quality EVA material. The upper is breathable and lightweight, which can provide you with a comfortable wearing experience. Number 5. Xtep 360X Professional Running Shoes. Xtep 360X Professional Running Shoes. Men's Carbon Plate Marathon PB Sport Shoe. Lightweight ETPU material sneakers. Xtep Professional Sports Fashion Brand. Xtep is a leading international brand in sports and fashion, offering shoes and apparels to trend-savvy people with the vision to make Xtep a leading brand in global sports and fashion and to become a respected international brand operator. As the Xtep official store, we are 100% original and authentic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.